A slimy green algae covers Lake Pinto in 2007, producing deadly toxins called microcystins, often referred to as blue-green algae. These toxins made their way to the Monterey Bay, contaminating the shellfish and killing 11 southern sea otters. Environmental scientist Daniel Orr explains the concern.
And those freshwater mussels can, depending on when there's an algal bloom relative to the harvesting season, have levels of microcystin that are hazardous to human health.
People exposed to the blue-green algae can develop rashes, skin and eye irritation, allergic reactions, and high levels of exposure can even be deadly. Also, canines and other large animals are known to have died from the exposure to the toxin.
The algae is not as dangerous as ricin. The compound is.
OSPR Dr. Melissa Miller was the first to link the deaths of the 11 southern sea otters, a federally listed threatened species, to the outbreak of microcystins in shellfish and cite a potential threat to public health. Dr. Miller's research was a key reason for OSPR's involvement with the toxins and the need for quick analyses, resulting in the laboratory receiving new testing equipment. OR takes every precaution using the new equipment while testing for the deadly toxins.
What we've been working on today is an ELISA, enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay. This is a method we're using to measure microcystins.
Using the ELISA method, OSPR can now test for levels of microcystins in days rather than weeks or months, depending on the urgency.
It's a light reader, so it's going to read the intensity of that yellow color.
The testing method identifies the common chemical structure in the nearly 100 different microcystins, letting the researcher know if the toxin is present.
So the big advantage of this compared to the way we previously measured these is first and foremost speed. In the world of chemical analysis, that's quite fast.
OSPR provides assistance to agencies around the state that may not have the resources to test for the toxins. If the test is positive, the county, public health, or other local agency alerts the public of the danger and precautions are taken, like closing waterways to swimming and fishing.
And often one of our frequent partners is the water boards. They don't always have the expertise to do these types of analyses, and that is something we can provide.
For more information about OSPR, you can visit www.dfg.ca.gov/OSPR.